In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the TXID, also known as the transaction ID or transaction hash, on Binance and Trust Wallet. This process is particularly useful when you want to verify a transaction or track it on a blockchain explorer. So, let's dive right in. First, let's tackle Binance. Once you've logged into your Binance account, you'll want to navigate to the wallet section. Here, you have a few options like transaction history, overview, or deposit and withdrawals. Any of these paths will lead you to the information you need. Your goal is to pinpoint the specific withdrawal or deposit transaction you're interested in. Once you've located it, click on the transaction to open up its detailed view. Within these details, you should spot a field variously labeled as TXID, transaction hash, or simply hash/TX. These references are what you're looking for, and you'll often find that clicking on this TXID will direct you straight to a blockchain explorer, giving you a full rundown of your transaction's details. According to Binance's support team, it's the transaction history section where you can always view the TXID. Once you have it, feel free to copy the TXID. You'll use this ID in a blockchain explorer such as Etherscan or BSC scan to check on your transaction status and confirmations. Now, let's switch gears and look at how to do this on Trust Wallet. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. Next, select the token or coin involved in the transaction you're interested in, whether it's ETH, BNB, or some other asset. On the tokens page, you'll need to look for the transaction history, which is essentially a list of all past sends and receives connected to that particular token. When you find the transaction in question, tap it to open up its detailed view. Within this transaction detail view, there's usually an option that says View on Blockchain Explorer, or something similar. Tapping this will open the transaction on a block explorer, revealing the TXID or transaction hash to you. Trust Wallet's guide assures you of viewing transaction status and utilizing the View on Blockchain Explorer feature to get detailed insights. It's also useful to know that Trust Wallet's support pages hint that some internal or multi-send transactions might not be fully visible within the app itself. This makes using a blockchain explorer a more comprehensive solution for viewing full transaction details. Now you know how to easily find the TXID on both Binance and Trust Wallet. Armed with this knowledge, you can verify and track your transactions efficiently, making use of blockchain explorers whenever needed. Happy tracking, and remember, knowing your TXID is key to staying informed about your crypto transactions.